Hi, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a move-out cleaning here in Harrisburg. This is 4 bedrooms in total. And it's a pet cleaning. So we're going over the carpet with the black light. Already went over with the black light. Just want to show you I didn't see any visible stains here. Now we're coming up. As you can see, we already started agitating. What that is we're working in the pre-spray. So just like, you shampoo your hair and you rub it in, that's what we're doing. We're shampooing the carpet and rubbing it in. We do black light inspections on all of our cleanings. As you can see, we got something here. So we're going to treat this area. As you can see, the light is strong enough to penetrate through the light. Okay, so we can still see what's going on, even though you got those windows open. All right, I'm gonna breeze right on through. There's nothing else. We got these stairs here. This pet cleaning here, we have this priced at $280. 4 rooms with a deodorizer, special pet cleaning deodorizer. It's stronger and it has more enzymes in it. What really breaks down and emulsifies the odor. All right.
No, that door's locked. You can't leave.
You also can't taste the wine.
Our water right there is 250 degrees. Heat it up by the machine. That heats it up in about 1 minute. Takes the whole thing to get going. So we did that room up there, the hallway here, back room, and here's the water. Check that out. Got some pieces in there, little chunks.
Wow. What's called? So I saw this TikTok and it was like people over there how you might polyamorous relations. People might be seen by millions of those here, state and town and like other shit. So I had to go to the list 200 people. So I was just scrolling. It's like I thought it said 300 comments. So I went through and I was like, this is cool too. Now, so I found in Allentown, Bucks County, Lehigh Valley, and they were all like tortured. And it was in Harrisburg.